two ways to stop users from inserting or deleting rows or columns. So we've got our spreadsheet. I do not want anyone to insert or delete. So the first way, the more traditional way, I go to my review, protect sheet. And you'll see it allows us to select lock cells and select unlock cells. For now, that's okay. I'm not going to put a password in. When I click OK, you'll see you no longer have the option to insert or delete rows. So that's one way of doing it. I'm just going to unprotect the sheet. You may want to achieve the same thing without using this protect sheet. So there's a way we can trick it. What we're going to do is I'm just going to highlight this area here. And in that formula, I'm going to type equals 1. And then I don't click enter. I hold Control, Shift, and enter. And this creates something called an array formula. You'll see it's got little squiggly brackets there. But what this means, an array formula cannot be broken apart, which means that even if I hide this column, when someone comes here and they try to insert, they're warned that they can't change the part of an array. So even though they don't know about it, this will stop them from inserting or deleting. And similarly, if you want the columns, you would do the same thing over here.